In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer cryptocurrency from Binance to Coinbase. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure your crypto moves smoothly and securely between these two popular platforms. First things first, let's start with Coinbase. Open the Coinbase app on your device and navigate to the advanced trading section. From there, you'll want to tap on Portfolio. This is where you can manage your assets and get ready to receive your crypto from Binance. In your portfolio, tap on Deposit, and when prompted, select Deposit Crypto. Here, you'll choose the specific cryptocurrency asset you want to receive. Make sure this asset matches the one you're planning to send from Binance. This step is crucial because selecting the wrong asset type might result in a loss of funds, as transferring one type to a wallet expecting another won't work. Next, you'll need to select the appropriate network for your transaction. This is particularly vital for cryptocurrencies like Ethereum that support multiple networks. For instance, if you're dealing with Ethereum, you might choose between networks such as ERC20. Ensuring the network matches on both platforms is key to avoiding unnecessary headaches or fees. Once you've selected the network, copy your Coinbase wallet address. This address is essentially your unique identifier for receiving crypto on Coinbase and will be used shortly on the Binance side of things. Now shift gears and open up your Binance application, logging in with your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Assets section and then to Spot. This is where you can view and manage the cryptocurrencies you own on Binance. To begin the transfer process, click on Send. Here you're presented with different withdrawal methods. Be sure to select On-Chain Withdraw as your method. This ensures that the transfer goes through the blockchain, maintaining security and effectiveness. Next, you need to select the same cryptocurrency you previously chose to receive on Coinbase. Double check that everything matches to prevent any issues during the transfer. With your cryptocurrency selected, paste the Coinbase wallet address that you copied earlier into Binance. This step is crucial, so take an extra moment to verify that the address is correct. A small error in the wallet address can lead to irreversible loss. Following this, choose the correct network once again, like ERC20 for Ethereum. This should mirror the network you selected on Coinbase. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, making sure it aligns with your intentions. After entering the amount, confirm the withdrawal. Binance will likely request confirmations for security purposes. Provide these promptly to proceed. Lastly, be patient. Wait for the required blockchain confirmations. These confirmations are a standard part of ensuring your transaction is legitimate and secure. Once completed, your transferred cryptocurrency should appear in your Coinbase account ready for use. And that's it, you've successfully moved your crypto from Binance to Coinbase. For more helpful tips and tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe.